he killed 2 guys. They went out to a shooting range, and he's all crazy. He's psychotic.
The key evidence that's going to guide you is going to guide you on 2 critical issues, and that is, did he intentionally cause the death of these 2 men? And when he did so, did he know what he was doing was wrong?
Welcome back to the Daily Share. I'm Joey Jackson.
Hey, Joey, and I'm Christy Paul. Listen, here in Atlanta, we have criminal defense attorney and former federal prosecutor Tanya Miller with us. Always so grateful to have you here, Tanya.
Good to be here.
I know that you've been on both sides of cases like this. So what were your thoughts, particularly regarding opening statements?
Well, you know, I think the prosecutor is starting off strong enough. He is connecting with the jury. He's looking them in the eye. He is laying out the facts that he thinks are most important to his case without arguing, because you're not supposed to argue on opening statements. You're supposed to tell the jury what the evidence will show, and that's exactly what he's doing. He's highlighting the important issues for the jury. 1, whether or not this defendant intentionally committed this homicide, and 2, whether or not he knew at the time that he did it what he was doing was wrong. Those are the critical issues. And so he's flagged that for the jury. He's pointing out the facts that are going to help them reach that conclusion, the conclusion he wants. And the answer to both of those questions, I'm sure, is yes in his mind. So I think he's starting off solid. We'll have to see how it goes, how he finishes up.
Tanya, good to see you. Nice to have you here.
Good to be here.
Listen, I want you to listen to this tweet, and I want to get your take on it. It says, honestly, Taya Kyle, of course, that's his wife, may be more of a hero than her husband with all she's faced these past 2 years. And Chris Kyle is the legend America. Now, how do you think that Taya Kyle will affect the case, Tanya?
Well, you know, honestly, when I was a prosecutor, Joey, the first person we would put on the stand would be the victim's closest loved one, whether it was a mother, the wife, the child. And so I think the prosecution is smart to put her on first, because she is going to humanize Chris Kyle. He is not Bradley Cooper. He was a real live person who had a wife who loved him, who had children who are left without a father. And so she is epitomizing that. She is bringing that humanity to him. She is strong. She has done what every good American is supposed to do. She supported her husband while he went overseas, protecting us, protecting American lives, fighting for freedoms abroad. And she's, again, made the ultimate sacrifice in losing him so tragically. So she is a hero, and I think the prosecution is smart to feature her.
Yeah, you have to think that the jury is going to have a hard time erasing anything that she had to say, especially the emotion that she brought to it. We're going to talk more about Taya Kyle next hour. For now, though, we do want to get you back into the courtroom, because we heard some serious details about the shooting itself, including the gun and the fatal wounds involved here. And I just want to give you this general reminder that it was a little tough to hear the prosecutor at times, but you can make it out.